Heating our homes and offices is responsible for almost 20% of the total greenhouse gas emissions in the United Kingdom. This is because natural gas has been the main fuel used for heating. To meet the legally binding net zero target by 2050, we must decarbonize the heat sector. We develop modeling tools to analyze data about housing stock, renewable heat sources, and existing energy infrastructures, particular to cities, counties, and regions. By analyzing these informations and taking into account local circumstances, we will examine the best options for providing heat to individual buildings in a neighborhood. A recent project we completed in this area was Zero 2050 project. We found out by improving energy performance of buildings in South Wales, we could reduce energy demand by 30%. This means reducing the need for additional energy infrastructure capacity in the area. Such collaborative projects that adopt whole system approach are crucial to support informed decisions for energy transition.
Small nation, big ideas. Welsh science tackling climate change.